Hey, I'm back. We got another character to share. Food Fight. He's a light elemental, sort of looks like an artichoke, but I don't know. Also, I'd like to point out that the trailer made an error, and tomatoes are fruits, not vegetables. Food Fight's main attack is shooting tomatoes out of the sky. When upgraded, he will shoot one at a time and faster. The tomatoes are also able to sprout tomato plants that attack enemies. By walking over the plants, his gun will get charged. Also, secret info. Food Fight will be shooting a variety of different vegetables besides just tomatoes, which are still fruit. So far, the only one he built is a zucchini, which will get him his own gun, plaster, I can't remember the exact word. His other ability is leaving behind artichoke bombs, which are really cool. He will also have 140 luck, 80 agility, and 60 power armor. He's also in the starter pack with Snapshot, who I did a video on before. And thank you for watching. And I am super excited for Trap Team. Are you? I hope you are, because I am. Yeah.